Hello, my name is Steven Mizell, and you're watching True Blue TV. Alright, it's Steven with True Blue TV, and in this week's episode, we're going to tell you how to become one of Tennessee's best at MTSU. Are you excited? Let's go. What does it take to become one of Tennessee's best at MTSU? If you're coming straight out of high school, you need to have a 3.0 GPA, or a 22 on the ACT, or a 2.7 and a 19 on the ACT. We also require 14 high school units. Those 14 high school units can be found on our website, mtsu.edu, and then click on admissions. If you have those, you have guaranteed admissions into MTSU. Now let's say you don't have that. Let's say you have a 2.6 and a 20. You don't have admission requirements, but what you do is go through conditional admissions. You fill out a short essay about why you want to come to MTSU, and MTSU Review Board will then decide if you're ready to become one of Tennessee's best. Let's go answer a question from a future Blue Raider. Let's go. All right, we're back, and we have a question from John from Chattanooga asks, what does it take, how much does it cost to get into a sporting event at MTSU? Well, John, guess what? It's free. It is free for you to get into every sporting event at MTSU. So there's no reason why you shouldn't be here cheering on your Blue Raiders. All right, this is Steven again with True Blue TV. And what did we learn today, guys? We learned what it takes for you to become a Blue Raider. If you forgot them, go to our website, mtsu.edu, and click on admissions, and it shows all the requirements what it takes to get into MTSU. Also, we got a question answered from a kid from Chattanooga. If you want your questions answered, email me at smizell@mtsu.edu. All right, guys, I'm done. I'm gone. I'm leaving you now. I'm gone.